Unlock the future of flavor at IDDBA 2024. Registration is now open for the ultimate dairy, deli, bakery, and food service event. Join industry experts, savor delectable delights, and make invaluable connections. Don't miss out. Register today at iddba.org.
California attempts to ban plastic shopping bags again. A listeria outbreak has prompted product recalls at grocery stores across the nation. And Amazon plans to lay off hundreds of workers in its healthcare division. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top news from Supermarket News and CSP Daily News. I'm CSP Editor Diane Adam.
And I'm CSP Senior Editor Hannah Hammond.
Product recalls stemming from a listeria outbreak first discovered in 2017 are mounting. Trader Joe's, Costco, H-E-B, and Albertsons have been busy pulling items traced back to Rizo Lopez Foods in Modesto, California. Fresh Creative Foods contain a dairy ingredient from the supplier. Whole Foods' 365 private label also was listed among those infected.
Convenience store retailer Parkland Corporation has appointed James Neate to its board of directors, effective Saturday. This follows the departure of two Parkland board members at the end of December. Neate's career spans more than 3 decades in the Canadian banking industry at Scotiabank.
Hundreds of Amazon employees working in the retail giant's healthcare division will soon be laid off, according to a leaked memo from Neil Lindsay, Senior Vice President of Amazon Health Services. Lindsay sent employees a memo on Tuesday telling them that Amazon Pharmacy, One Medical, and Amazon Clinic have all seen tremendous growth in the past year, but Amazon has decided to reallocate resources for some of those programs.
Casey's General Stores, Inc. has selected Acumera Reliant Platform to support the convenience store chain's digital transformation and edge computing initiatives. The Acumera Reliant Platform will integrate with Casey's legacy systems as the Ankeny, Iowa-based retailer plans to enable a scalable technology foundation across its over 2,600 locations in the United States.
The Dallas-Fort Worth area has among the strongest economies in the country by a number of metrics, and that success is revealed in part by the proliferation of grocery retailers in the area, according to Texas-based real estate consulting firm Weitzman Group. The 2024 Weitzman annual forecast shows that the 2 new H-E-B stores that opened in the Dallas-Fort Worth metro area in 2023 accounted for nearly a quarter of the new commercial retail space built.
On National Pizza Day, Casey's General Stores put a face to its pizza and beer offerings. The retailer selected Joe Cruz from Lincoln, Nebraska as its first ever Chief Pizza and Beer Officer. He was chosen from more than 500 candidates to apply. He will be the utmost authority on sampling, researching, and pairing Casey's pizzas with the best beer combinations, and for creating social media content to spread Casey's passion for pizza and beer, the company said.
Retail media company Cooler Screens has hired Anand Muralidharan to serve as Senior Vice President Chief Growth Officer. Muralidharan most recently served as Head of Global Strategy and Business Development at AI chip manufacturer NVIDIA. In that role, Muralidharan was tasked with shaping AI solutions for global brands in the retail, consumer packaged goods, and quick service restaurant sectors, Cooler Screens said in a press release.
For the first time in more than 3 years, Coca-Cola is adding a new permanent beverage to its North American portfolio. Coca-Cola Spiced, which also is available in zero sugar, blends the taste of Coca-Cola with a burst of refreshing notes from raspberry and spiced flavors. Spiced will be available starting February 19th.
California state legislators are considering a bill that will ban all plastic shopping bags by 2026. Thin plastic bags are already banned, but shoppers still have the option to buy thicker plastic bags at grocery stores. Assembly Bill 2236 and Senate Bill 1053 would pull all of them. The California Grocers Association supports the move.
Enmarket is offering car wash subscriptions with its new Market Wash mobile app, providing customers a contactless experience. The Market Wash standalone mobile app was developed by Liquid Barcodes. Customers will be able to select from several car wash subscription packages, add-ons, or one-time washes.
Costco's January sales rose 4.5% year over year to just over $22 billion. However, that is slightly lower than December, which benefited from a healthy holiday shopping season when sales were more than $26 billion. Costco's same-store sales came in at almost 3% more year over year, and e-commerce sales spiked 21%. On Tuesday, longtime Costco CFO Richard Galanti confirmed his retirement in March. The retailer announced that former Kroger CFO Gary Millerchip will be replacing Galanti.
W. Capra, a professional services firm offering commerce, retail technology, and consumer programs, and Impact 21, a business transformation firm serving the convenience store and other industries, have signed a letter of intent for W. Capra to acquire Impact 21. The companies will form an end-to-end consulting and services business.
Ingles Market saw a dip in its Q1 sales. Net sales for the Asheville, North Carolina-based retailer totaled $1.48 billion for the quarter ended December 30th, 2023, a decrease of 0.8% compared with $1.49 billion for the quarter ended December 24th, 2022. The grocer said it believes its financial resources, including a line of credit and other funding sources, will be sufficient to meet planned capital expenditures, debt service, and working capital requirements for the foreseeable future.
National Grocers saw an uptick in its first quarter sales. In quarter one, the Lakewood, Colorado-based retailer saw net sales increase 7.6% to more than $301 million, and daily average comparable store sales increased 6.2%. During the first quarter of fiscal 2024, the retailer opened 2 stores and relocated 1 store, ending the quarter with a total of 167 stores in 21 states.
The results are in for the 2024 Supermarket News Retailer Expectations Survey. After a difficult year in 2023, food retailers and wholesalers have grown slightly more positive in their outlook for the year ahead. Just over half, 52% of retailer and wholesaler respondents said they were at least fairly confident in the strength of the economy, including 8% who said they were extremely confident. That marks the first year-to-year outlook improvement in the 4-year history of the survey. Last year, only 44% of respondents cited optimism about the economy in 2023. And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News and supermarketnews.com. I'm Diane Adam.
And I'm Hannah Hammond. Have a great day.
Unlock the future of flavor at IDDBA 2024. Registration is now open for the ultimate dairy, deli, bakery, and food service event. Join industry experts, savor delectable delights, and make invaluable connections. Don't miss out. Register today at iddba.org.